It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I couldn't stand it. I've got some leftover paint. And even though it's kind of dark, my inclination is to go ahead and use it. It'd be really nice if I had to put my glasses right where I could find them, and they should be here. Okay, flying blind again. Never mind. Alright, I think this time I'm just going to give myself permission to puddle pour right into that puddle of gold. I think I'm also going to have to do it with a spatula. I have no idea if this can work. It's obviously very, very dark paint now. And that's going in the bucket. I got way too much paint on my hands. I probably have too much paint on my canvas too. Now what color do I really like? Because I really kind of want that. And that. And maybe one more. That might not be the one more I want. Maybe it's this one, the one that will actually come out. Okay, so we're basically just using the color that's the paint as something to move other paint with. And I'm still probably going to wind up with paint coming off of there. My tile is filthy, I'm sorry. I always wanted to just lay the stripes down and see what would happen. I think I'm going to go ahead and do my edge catcher deal. Rock that one. Let it go all the way down here. Come on, back you come. Because it's all well and good, you know, that we're always making ring pour cups and so on. But I'd just like to know what's possible with doing virtually nothing. And that other paint is just staying in the background right now. I really like the gold and I want some more of it, so I'm going to use some. Because I can. And maybe some black. No, I think some purple. And if the purple comes off, I'm going to put it back in like that. No matter what I get, I'm going to put it back in again, like that. I kind of lost all my pink, and I liked my pink. Still no glasses. Alright, so. I said I liked the pink and then I put the purple in. At least I know what I like. Just a quick few chain pulls. I use GAC 800 in all my paint mixtures, which means that even though the paint will be very thick on this, it will probably dry perfectly well. I'm still not super thrilled with it. But I am going to call it good, and oh, that it's getting very dark very quickly. And I think I'm becoming addicted to just liking to throw some black into my composition and letting it spread itself out and being part of the composition. Wow, that's dark. I think it's going to rain again. A few waggles. And we'll call it good, just because I can. A video for a desperate moment. Especially if I could see things with my glasses. You know what fixes everything? Yep, it is raining again. That's what fixes everything for me. Right there. Because it's an iridescent If I keep any of it at all, it'll be beautiful. Yeah, that didn't help. What do I have? I have this. And that'll probably dry darker. Hey, at least I don't have wind blowing things into my artwork, right? Yet. I may have spoken too soon, actually. There we go. Alright, I actually kind of like that. It was very quick. Like I said, for a desperate moment. I am going to torch it, and then I'm going to get myself the heck out of here. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, using up leftover paint and making a mess. I love you guys. There's almost 80,000 of you. There probably is 80,000 of you by now. So this is just a little 8x10. If you guys would give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps the placement of my videos through the YouTube algorithm. And if you watch the videos for a longer time, that helps me too. My Amazon link is below the video. You can get the OXO omelet turning spatulas there. You can get mica powders. You're allowed to ask me questions. If you have questions, please just ask me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have stuck that skewer in there, but I'm good. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm not good, but in any case. I can't see very well, but I think it's pretty. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out later, like tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to take a picture of that and call it good. And check the end screens for lots of videos and a playlist and a contest where you can win a painting or a credit toward a painting, or get a signed copy of my book, should you happen to desire that. And there's an exhibition of fantasy artworks there. Let's see if we can zoom right in. I love those colors. What can I say? I know it's kind of messy in the background, but I love you guys. Take care. Binge watch some videos, would you? I'm falling behind. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, I gotta get out of the rain. Bye now. Love you.